Thinking that this avalanche of customers coming when you reopen your doors is going to fix your business and make it successful is a mistake I see a lot of salon owners making, and it's kind of hard for me to really sit and watch it, because ultimately what was wrong before lockdown, before you were shut down in quarantine, is still going to be there when you reopen your doors. Yes, there's going to be a lot of customers that want to come straight away, but what's going to happen after that? What have you put in place to make sure that those customers rebook, that they get taken on a journey with you, that they become, really ideal customers that buy your services and buy your retail and rebook and refer their friends, all those things we really need customers to do to make our business successful. If they weren't doing it before, if you were attracting the wrong type of customers that weren't behaving like that beforehand, how are you going to change that now? You're going to be really busy. You have people coming at you, there's pressure, people on the phone, team needs you. What if they get sick and can't work, and, all the things you can see, they just go up and up and up. There's so many aspects to juggling and managing this next phase of your business that really need consideration. So if your business was broken before, if the model wasn't working, if you were tired, exhausted, stressed out, how's that going to be different going forward if you don't make some changes, if you don't really think about what you want your customers to do, how you want them to behave, how you need them to be in a good place in the system. They pop into the machine at the beginning of your customer experience framework and they come out and you get a really successful business at the end. So what can you do to make a difference now? Because when the pressure's on, it's so much harder to pivot and change and look at things, from a really 30,000 foot view ahead.